Yawning tea pet water gun. Ugly person portrait pressing nose water spray gun for summer. Playing water fight stress relief toy bring laughs. Stark MK1 metal alloy USB LED lamp proof. Tony Stark has a heart. Bring a piece of the Marvel universe to your desk with the Stark MK1 USB LED lamp. 4-fold 100W foldable solar panel. Portable fast charging power. Anywhere, stay powered wherever you go with this 4-fold 100W foldable solar panel, designed for outdoor lovers, travelers, and emergency use. Compact, lightweight, and highly efficient, it easily Lazy Man sunflower shelling tool. Automatic seed peeling machine. Say goodbye to sore fingers and messy shells. The Lazy Man sunflower shelling tool is a smart, time-saving kitchen gadget designed to quickly crack and peel sunflower seeds, melon seeds, walnuts, and other small nuts with minimal effort. Just load, press the switch, and let the machine do the work. Perfect for snack lovers who want convenience without the hassle. Powered by an efficient electric motor, this automatic seed peeler delivers fast. The EXN03R CNC milling cutter rod is engineered for high-performance machining where speed, stability, and deep cutting are essential. Designed to install LNMU0303 milling cutter inserts, this tool delivers excellent material removal rates while maintaining precision and surface quality. Built with a rigid cutter body, the EXN03R supports large cutting depth and fast feed milling, making it ideal for roughing and semi-finishing operations. The optimized insert seating ensures secure clamping, reduced vibration, and consistent cutting performance. 6/8-inch magic wrench. Multifunctional adjustable hand tool. Meet the one tool that replaces a whole toolbox. The 6/8-inch magic wrench is a smart, multifunctional household maintenance tool designed to grip, twist, clamp, and loosen almost any shape with ease. From standard hex nuts to irregular or worn bolts, this magic wrench adapts instantly, saving you time and effort on every job. Stainless steel soap bar. Odor eliminating kitchen and bath cleanser. Say goodbye to stubborn odors with this stainless steel soap bar, a smart and eco-friendly solution for kitchen and body use. Designed to neutralize strong smells like garlic, onion, fish, and spices, this reusable odor remover works instantly when rubbed with water. Novelty floating lamp with 10W detachable wireless charger. Decorative light for bedroom and office. Add a touch of futuristic magic to your space with this novelty floating lamp. Designed to both amaze and simplify your daily routine. Using magnetic levitation technology, the lamp appears to float and gently rotate in mid. Stainless steel food carving knife. Precision meets everyday simplicity. Elevate your kitchen prep with this sleek and practical stainless steel food carving knife. Designed for both home cooks and creative food presentation lovers. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, the blade stays sharp, resists rust, and delivers clean, precise cuts every time. The petal-style serrated edge glides smoothly through fruits, vegetables, and soft foods, making it ideal for carving, garnishing, and decorative plating. Its non-slip ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable, secure grip, giving you full control even during detailed carving work. Lightweight and portable, this knife is easy to use, easy to store, and perfect for daily kitchen tasks or special occasions where presentation matters. Choice Transformers TFY17 portable loudspeaker is built for big sound in a compact, travel-ready body. Designed with a bold, modern look, this multifunctional wireless speaker delivers rich stereo sound and powerful bass, making it perfect for music, movies, gaming, and outdoor fun. Equipped with advanced Bluetooth technology, the TFY17 ensures fast, stable pairing with smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Its long-endurance battery keeps the music playing for hours on a single charge, so you can enjoy uninterrupted sound at home, in the office, or on the go. Despite its portable size, the speaker produces clear highs, balanced mids, and deep lows for an immersive listening experience. Give your timepiece a personality of its own with this creative robot watch holder stand, a bold, artistic way to display and protect your favorite watch. Crafted from premium metal, this DIY robot-style stand turns any watch into a statement piece, blending industrial design with playful creativity. Whether placed on a desk, LED table lamp with fan and clock display, multifunctional reading desk light. Upgrade your study or workspace with this all-in-one LED table lamp designed for comfort, convenience, and modern living. Combining a bright reading light, a cooling fan, and a digital clock display, this multifunctional desk lamp is perfect for studying, working, or relaxing. Naked Eye 3D holographic fan display. Eye-catching floating visuals for modern advertising. Turn heads and stop traffic with the Naked Eye 3D holographic fan air imaging display, a futuristic, Advertising solution that projects vivid, stereoscopic images that appear to hover in mid-air. Pachinko travel ball track building block assembly boy magnetic build refrigerator sticker roller coaster puzzle. Pachinko travel ball track magnetic building block set is a fun, hands-on assembly puzzle that turns any metal surface into an exciting mini roller coaster. Designed for curious kids who love to build and experiment, this creative set combines magnetic blocks, smooth ball tracks, and pachinko-style movement for endless entertainment at home or on the go. With strong magnetic pieces, the track easily attaches to refrigerators, whiteboards, or metal panels, allowing children to design vertical or horizontal roller coaster paths. Kids can watch the balls race, spin, and drop through custom routes, helping develop problem-solving skills, creativity, and hand-eye coordination. Compact and travel-friendly, it's perfect for playrooms, classrooms, or family trips. Rotor Mahjong Machine. Fully automatic home roller coaster dining table. Upgrade your home entertainment with this Rotor fully automatic Mahjong machine, a smart, space-saving design that combines professional Mahjong play and a functional dining table in one elegant unit. Built for convenience and fun, it features a roller coaster tile delivery system and electric automatic shuffling, giving you a smooth, fast, and fair game every time. Designed for modern homes, the table easily folds and transforms between a Mahjong table and dining table. Hello Cubic Cool Weather Forecast Prism Crystal 3D Wi-Fi Clock Station. Transparent small TV desktop display. Bring futuristic charm and smart convenience to your desk with the Hello Cubic Prism Crystal 3D Wi-Fi Clock Station. Designed like a miniature transparent TV. Naked Eye 3D Visual Night Light Wall Lamp. Transform any room with the mesmerizing Naked Eye 3D Visual Night Light Wall Lamp. This optical art wall mounted lamp creates a stunning 3D visual effect without the need for glasses, bringing depth and dimension to your walls like never before. Perfect as an atmospheric light, it doubles as a decorative wall painting. Music Solid State Tesla Coil Artificial Lightning Arc Plasma Loudspeaker is a jaw-dropping desktop science toy that turns electricity into sound and light. Using solid-state Tesla coil technology, it generates visible artificial lightning arcs that unleash the power of artificial lightning in the palm of your hand. This fourth-generation enhanced Tesla coil gun delivers dramatic, high-voltage arcs with upgraded magnetic energy technology and fully adjustable output, creating a stunning lightning effect that's both powerful and mesmerizing. Designed for performance and control, the advanced circuitry ensures stronger, more stable arcs, while the adjustable settings let you fine-tune arc length and intensity for different demonstrations. The handheld 3-barrel cannon fireball shooting flame spraying magic prop. Turn any event into a jaw-dropping spectacle with this 3-barrel flame projector. Designed to deliver synchronized fireball bursts and dramatic flame sprays for stage shows, festivals, themed parties, and special effects performances. With its bold cannon-style design and multi-flavor flame output, it creates a powerful visual impact that instantly commands attention. Built for showmanship, the triple-barrel layout allows alternating or combined flame effects, adding depth and rhythm to your performance. The rugged housing and theatrical finish make it a standout prop on stage, while the controlled flame projection delivers consistent, repeatable effects for professional presentations. Key highlights: triple-barrel design for layered, dynamic flame visuals, fireball shooting and flame spraying effects for high impact shows, 3-flavor flame output to enhance visual variety, cannon-style appearance adds dramatic stage presence, ideal for event shows, magic performances, festivals,